What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for new and upcoming videos. As you can tell by this title, I'm taking my baby out somewhere because she's only home. Let me get her and show y'all. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
So yeah, I'm gonna go take her to like a splash pad. I found another one closer in my area. So yeah, I'm just gonna take her and let her play. And yeah, so I'm gonna go prepare our snacks. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Come on. Okay, y'all, so I'm making sandwiches. I'm gonna be using cheese, Miracle Whip, my favorite. Ain't no other mayo better than this. If y'all don't use Miracle Whip, then I don't know where y'all from, period. Then we're using turkey breast because I don't want no ham. I don't like bologna. I just want to be turkey. And we're using, y'all don't forget that. What that say? Great value. And then we're using a favorite butter bread. Sara Lee butter bread. We're using Sara Lee butter bread. Y'all see my baby? But yeah. So I'm going to place the napkins and I'm going to let y'all watch me make the sandwiches. So let me lay the napkins down. And then we're going to get the bread. Okay, guys, so I'll clearly be back when I'm done putting mayo on it because, yeah, this is just too much. I'll be back. So the sandwiches is done. Let's put the cheese. Oh, y'all forgot. Got it? It's not done. I forgot. Okay, guys, so I'm making the sandwiches now. And this is the sandwiches, y'all. Y'all look at the sandwiches. Now let's close them up. Okay, guys, so I'm done with the sandwiches. And then let's put it in a Ziploc bag. Okay, guys, so they packaged and ready to go. Guys, so we have arrived. Come on, babe. Look, mommy, the water. Look at the park. Come on, we're gonna go take pictures in the chair. Y'all, we're gonna go take pictures in this chair. I'm gonna show y'all the chair. Just watch me. Y'all got a little splash area. Not too many people out here or whatever. But yeah, this is the chair. This is a pavilion. Y'all can have parties at a pavilion. And this is a chair. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Here, stand in the middle. Y'all look at her. Look at me. Y'all, it is super, super hot out here. Like, y'all, it's super hot out here. Let me show y'all what shoes I got on. Wrong shoes for the wrong occasion. Look at this. Wrong shoes. Y'all, so I'm back. I'm finna go sit under this little cool shed or whatever. And yeah. And I'll talk to y'all when I go sit down. Until then, y'all, it's too hot and I'm hungry. So I'm finna go sit down. Yeah, look at my baby. Y'all, it is so hot out here, but y'all check out my feet. Y'all, it is super so hot out here. Super, super hot. But yeah, I hope you guys liking this video thus far. How you guys? Yeah, look at this. Shit, don't even want to drop the water. I'm not running through nothing else, y'all. Look. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, this ground feels so good. This ground feels so good. I'm trying to wait till it come back up. Y'all, look, I'm gonna go to this one. Guys, look at the splash pad behind me. It is so hot out here, y'all. I'm gonna go sit right back down. Y'all cannot wait till my glasses come. Like, it just keeps falling. This is ghetto. Terrible. But it's coming. In another week or so. In another week or so. I hope you guys enjoying this video thus far. Period. Y'all look at the big top. Big top chair. It's hot. I'm gonna go sit back down. It's hot. I thought I can walk around and I can't. It's hot. Okay, guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you like this little mini Monday vlog so far. Period. I'm doing if y'all didn't know about now, I'm trying to do a weekly vlog. I'm trying to stay consistent because it's only up from here, road to success. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up, like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for new and upcoming videos. Period. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Like, y'all see a girl consistent, comment down below. Like I told y'all in the last video, I'm going to do everything that y'all want me to do. Period. I'm going to try to do some pranks, but I don't know who to prank yet. So y'all comment down below who y'all want me to prank, and I'll prank them. And then also, don't forget to follow me on all platforms. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Like, what y'all waiting for? I'm trying to get that up too. Like TikTok at glamorous_girl with the double L's at the end. And then y'all can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at The Real Pretty Girl E. All my pictures look the same on every platform. So yeah, y'all don't forget to follow me. And then y'all can follow me on Facebook at my first and last name, period. Like I said, everything will be linked down in the description box below. So yeah, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below. And guess what? Don't forget to subscribe. I'm not going to stop saying that. Subscribe. Period. Because I'm dropping new lit videos every day. Period. And I'm consistent. Y'all already see that. Like, consistency is key. Period. Bye. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video.